Remember guys, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment on the video. Let those ads play because your boy get paid from that ad revenue. Do not skip, set your phone down after you hit your like and leave your comment and let it play. All right, y'all, so we are about to call the raffle winner right now on Instagram and just tell him that he won. So here we go. Let's give him a call and see if he pick up the phone.
Hello?
Eric, what's up, man? Can you hear me?
There you are.
Hey, what's up? How are you?
I can hear you. What's up? I'm doing well. How you been?
I'm good, man. No complaints here. I'm not going to hold you up. I just wanted to call you and tell you congratulations. You won the raffle for the Xbox. So, yep.
Thank you.
But I did want to tell you congratulations on that. I will reach out to you in DMs and set up the delivery, whether you want me to bring it to you, whether you want me to mail it to you, whatever you want me to do. I'll do that either way.
Whatever's better for you. I would prefer a delivery or I can pick it up either way.
Yep, well, I will deliver it to you since you won the raffle. So, no worries.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely, dude. So I just wanted to reach out to you and let you know congratulations again. Thank you for entering.
That's awesome. I really appreciate it.
Absolutely, man. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving.
You too. You too, as well as everyone else out there. I hope they have a great holiday.
Absolutely. Thank you, sir, and I will be in contact with you, okay?
That's awesome. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Have a good one, man.
You too. Take care.
You too. You're going to see the delivery coming up here in the rest of the video. Your boy is out at the moment. It's Thanksgiving Day, so I got to go spend time with the family. I'm out. And just like that, today is the day that we go to give this Xbox away. Let's go. Oh, do I need gas too? That is what you call a true cold start. True cold start. That thing was like, it was like, what's his name? Yoshi, don't Yoshi shoot fire? And just like that, we are back, and I have my brother here in the vlog. Y'all remember him? He was gone to Washington, came back. Y'all remember him? He was here with the Charger when I got my Windows tinted, right? Oh yeah. Yep. So when I got my Windows tinted, he was here. Welcome back, bro. He's here for 2 weeks, and then I'll see him again. Who knows when? So, welcome. All right. So as you see, Cayenne has plenty of room. Look at this suitcase. It's like literally half his size. Okay, so just to let y'all know, this dude is like 6'7", what, like 340, 320, 330, 330, 6'7", 330, and his luggage was half his body. So that tells you how big that thing is. All right, y'all. So this is what we're gonna do. First, turn the heat down. So this is what we're gonna do. We are going to go meet with Eric. Before we meet with Eric, we got to go get gas because we are 63 miles to empty. And when Porsche first brought these vehicles out, it was mentioned that you should not trust the gas hand on here because the gas hand is incorrect on the vehicle, and that the gas is actually lower than what the hand actually says. So I'm 62 miles to empty now. I mean, hypothetically, I may be like 30 miles to empty. We don't know. I don't want to chance it. I'm in a turbo. Obviously, there's a lot of components that are involved in it. You never want to starve a turbo like that. So we're about to go get gas real quick. And so I'll see y'all at the gas station. All right, so y'all already know that we love the way that this exhaust sound, right? So let's give it a little pull for a second. Not in sport mode. You know what? It would have made sense if I'd have put my window up. They probably would have been able to hear the exhaust in, because all they probably hear now is wind noise. Yeah, put your seatbelt on for safety.
Well, I have to with you, driver.
Wait till I put it in sport mode. I do want someone to enjoy this because it is a fun vehicle to have, but I just can't personally lose money on it. And hold on, here we go. Gotta love those pulls. Gotta love those pulls. Oh snap, here we go. Oh snap. Oh my God, do y'all hear that thing? Oh my God, do y'all hear that exhaust? Oh my God, I love this vehicle so much. This V8 is monstrous. Just Porsche don't make them like this anymore. Like, it sucks because I think personally the V8 made by Porsche is one of the better sounding V8s.
That's what it was like. That's what it was like. I'm like wondering like how. That's what it was like. How close do you? Would you mean was I with the guy?
Was you? You was dating him? He was dating the dude?
Wasn't that serious.
Did you date him? Did y'all hold hands? Did you walk in the park? Making your way downtown? Walking fast? Faces passing, you're on your way?
You just don't want me to be nice in this video.
If you could fall 1,000 miles? If you could walk 1,000 miles, I think that's the word actually hilarious. Do you think time was passing you by?
How do you remember that much of this song? Are you still listening to this song every day?
I watch White Chicks, man. White Chicks is forever imprinted in my memory.
I think you had it in your most played list.
Maybe. Guys, should we play 1,000 miles? I cannot do that because if I do, my video will be demonetized. So I do not want to be demonetized because I'm trying to play 1,000 miles because this cat want to hear it. So I'm not going to do that. You want to hear it?
Not at all.
You don't?
No.
He's lying, y'all. He's lying. You sure?
Yes.
100%?
100%.
1,000%?
1,000,000%.
1,000,000 plus one.
1,000,000 plus one? What difference did that make at that point?
One of the conversations or the things that we've been debating on is what I should do with the Cayenne. If I want to raffle the Cayenne off, then I need more engagement from my Instagram/YouTube, right? Because what I'm gonna not do is incur a huge loss. I'll incur a loss, you know, 3,000 less. I'm not gonna incur a $5,000 loss on a vehicle that I can sell out and make profit, you know? So I understand that my subscriber/follower count is not huge as say a CJ on 32s or a DDE, something like that. But I do know that there is a desire, if there's a desire and a need in business, that people will come to it. So if there's a desire for the Cayenne out there, I don't have to worry about that because people will come to the raffle. So that's a conversation I'm having on the back end. This is why I haven't just instantly put the Cayenne up for raffle yet. It's because it have to make sense for me to do it, so I don't incur a huge loss. And with me incurring a loss, then that's gonna in turn make my giveaways or raffles less for you guys, and I don't want to impact you like that. So that's like number one thing. Number two, I'm debating on selling this or trading this for another vehicle. So if you watch my last video, then you know exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for probably be another turbo or a supercharged vehicle, and I want to make sure that it makes sense, right? Like, I'm not gonna raffle this off and take a $5,000 loss when I can sell it and make a $5,000 profit. It just don't make sense business-wise to do that. And if you do that, you either got the capital to play around with, or it's for tax purposes, something like that. So again, this is kind of like my reasoning. I haven't listed it yet. I have to do more research, and I have to make it make sense for you guys and for me to continue to be able to do raffles and giveaways. So that's a little bit of the back end on what's going on this raffle now. So again, as I said in my last, the video before my last one, not to take away, or maybe it was my last one, not to take away from Eric about to be in the video, but I do want to be honest with you guys because you are the heart of this channel, and you have to be in on the decisions that I make, especially my hardcore subscribers that aren't just here for the giveaways. They are here to watch the page grow, to leave me a comment, to support, because the more comments you guys leave me, the more my page can grow. The more likes, the more shares, the more people to see my page. So at 2,000 subscribers, I may do a car giveaway then, but it just have to make sense. It has to make sense at this point, especially for me to continue to be as interactive with you guys as I can be. So, you know, I thought I would share this with y'all because, again, obviously you guys are investing in me, so I'm gonna be investing in you. But this is just where we're at now with it. So if you guys have any questions, I mean, reach out to me, let me know. But I haven't decided on what I'm gonna do as far as the raffle yet. And who knows, by the time this video drop, then I may have made a decision, or there may be a raffle already started, because I am in conversation with people on the back end trying to understand this. So don't incur a loss that you can't afford to incur. Like, that's business 101. Regardless of who you are, be smart with it, right? Price is relative, money is relative to the things that you can do. So if you don't make a lot of money, it makes no sense to purposely put yourself in a situation that permanently impacts your well-being, finances, or your living. So meaning that I would never raffle this car off, lose 20 grand on it, and be stuck having to come out of pocket with 20 grand because I got to get a title up when I get a vehicle away. So you got to be smart with your finances. You will never see me trying to live above my means for anyone. I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to fail for anybody out there, period. Because I have a life to live in my own way. So, you know, for me to y'all, like, my advice to y'all that I live by is, if not you, then who? Meaning that if it's not your turn, then whose turn is it? So make it happen for yourself, just like I'm trying to make it happen for myself. And if there's any way I can support you all, then I'm definitely going to support you. But at the end of the day, I can't do this without y'all. So the more y'all share, the more y'all comment, the more you like, again, the more my page can be seen, and the more I can just do in general. So, you know, just be smart with what you do, and know that maybe it's not your season now, but your season is definitely coming. So I didn't just wake up and be put in a situation to do what I can do today. Like, it is something that happened over time for me, and it's still taking time to get where I want to. I started this channel 2 years ago, and I got monetized this month. So in November. So keep that in perspective as you're trying to, like, get it now. If it come fast, it go fast, no matter what it is. Meaning that if this grows fast, then just as fast as it grew, it'll go away. Just like a pump and dump with stocks, crypto. If it come fast, it's gonna go fast. Just how it is, unless you take your profit and run with it and then never come back. But most people don't, because they're greedy. And because I want to see you guys successful, just like I hope you want to see me successful as well. There's no hate anywhere on my body for anybody out there, because I definitely have my own lane to stay in, and I'm gonna stay in my lane. So I appreciate you guys for everything you do, and I just want to tell you guys that in this video. It's definitely appreciated. So so let me know what you think about the raffle, and let me know what you think I should do about the Cayenne, because I'm really curious. Your feedback is my channel, right? What y'all say and what y'all want is what I do. So let me know what you guys think. I appreciate every one of y'all. Eric actually won this Xbox, so this is going to be yours, my friend.
Thank you.
Yep. So he won the raffle. There is a receipt in there just in case something happens and you need to take care of it. It's completely yours, unopened. Thank you for entering the raffle.
Appreciate it.
Absolutely. So yeah, this is Eric. That's our winner, man. But I just want to let you guys know that the raffles are legit. You know, I haven't had anybody question it yet. So I'm gonna actually get off here for a second and chop it up with the winner, but thank you guys. Remember guys, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment on the video. Let those ads play, because your boy get paid from that ad revenue. Do not skip, set your phone down after you hit your like and leave your comment and let it play. All right, your boy's out now, peace.